Alright, so there you go. We got the channels cut in the wall. Now, the angle grinder is a little dustier than like the oscillating tool with the grout removal blade, but I feel like it's a little quicker, and that's why I use this. But the oscillating tool with the grout removal blade works just as nicely. It just takes a bit more time, and not a whole lot more time. I mean, just another minute or two. So for people who aren't contractors, I would suggest using the oscillating tool with the grout removal blade. It's a little safer, a little less dusty. You have a little more control. So that's that. All right, next step, we're gonna install the anchor and plates. All right, so we got the anchor and plates here. We got the glue. What I like to do is just do one side. And that's all the glue you need. You don't need to go too crazy with the glue. The stuff expands a lot, so little goes a long way. And once you got the anchor and plates in, just the channel on the back of the shelf. You just want to do a little glue there, roughly where the anchor and plates go. There you go. I like to get a paper towel, just clean off the excess. Again, the stuff expands a lot, so you really don't need a whole lot. I like to wipe off any little bit that I can. Line it up, the anchor and plates. Slide it into place just like that. So, right off the bat, this is very secure. You're going to need to allow probably about 2 or 3 hours for the glue to dry. It will expand. So, another thing I like to do is get painter's tape and put it on the tile, right where the tile meets where the shelf meets the tile. All the way around, so if it does expand out, it'll expand out onto the painter's tape. So let me give you an example here of what I mean. Just like that. Another thing I'll do too sometimes is curl the bottom. It'll act like a little gutter, so any glue that drips down, it'll catch it. But for the 2 to 3 hours that the glue is drying, I would keep an eye on it. You can get a shampoo bottle or something with a little bit of weight, put it on the front edge. The shelf kind of naturally tips towards the front, but this will help it while it's drying. So any little water that might get on the shelf, it'll just be able to drain off easily. The other thing too, once this dries and you clean up any glue that might have expanded out with a single edge razor, and be very careful that you don't scratch your stone too while doing that, so take your time. Just get like caulk that matches your grout, or even just the grout, and fill the edges, and then you're all done. So this is the caulk we're going to use. It's unsanded, siliconized acrylic latex caulk that matches the grout color. All right, for more information and to buy our product, you can go to GoShelf.com. Thank you.